Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are sharing 10 heart-shaped mini cakes that are cute, trendy, and totally lovable. The first one is classic pink heart-shaped cake. A soft pink heart-shaped cake with 5 borders and a "You love you" or "Happy birthday" message in the center. Perfect for any sweet surprise. The next is minimal white heart shape with gold text. Pure white buttercream topped with golden handwritten lettering. Elegant and clean. Luxury in a bit sized heart. The next is red velvet cake. Deep red velvet sponge with cream, cheesy icy, and topped with tiny white hearts. Bold and beautiful. Perfect for Valentine's Day. The next is strawberry cream heart cake. Whipped cream frosting with real strawberries on top and inside. Sweet and fruity love. The next is iridescent pearl heart cake. A shimmering glaze with edible pearls for a magical bridal touch. Ideal for bridal showers or classy gifts. The next is mini cartoon cake. Playful cake with cute facial expression and pastel cheeks. Kiwi style. Make your heart smile. The next is pastel ombre heart cake. Gentle fading colors from pink to purple or mint to blue with floral borders of soft, dreamy vibes. The next is monogram initial heart cake. Single letter in the center with piped flowers around it. Personalized and elegant. Great for gifts and celebrations. The next is chocolate drip heart cake. Heart shape with glossy chocolate ganj dripping down and sprinkles on top. Chocolate lover's dream. If you like any idea, take a screenshot of that idea and bake your favorite cake at home. The next is mini heart cake box set. 3 tiny heart cakes in a box, each with the word I love you or happy birthday. The sweetest love letter ever. Some tips to make mini heart cakes pop. Want your heart cakes to stand out? Try these easy styling tips. Use box packing with clear lids. Add miniature forks, love notes, or ribbons. The next is stick with pastel or bold red themes. Don't over decorate. The heart shape already says enough. Which cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment. We love to hear from you. If you like this video, then it means that you like an amazing idea in this video. So take a screenshot of that idea and bake at your next birthday party. Like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing and special ideas that we bring for you every day, and share it with someone who needs a little love today. Sharing is always care- caring. If you care others, then you live happily. And if you are positive from inside, then you want to live happy. and you stay happy. So, see you in the next video. Goodbye.